Posting an Instagram post from a laptop or PC is easy if you use a few simple tricks or tools. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser on your laptop or PC and simply in the search address bar search for instagram.com and log into your account. Once logged in, you can simply see the plus icon right next to the create option available there. You can tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will get to see options like add from computer. So now here all you have to do is click it, select the photos or videos you want to upload and customize your post as you would on a mobile device. So now once you are done with all your post captions and everything, you can simply press share to post your Instagram post. So that is how easy is it. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.